YouTube, what's good? It's your boy King Shot, and I'm back and I'm better with another video. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys my YouTube filming setup. So if that sounds like something you might be interested in, keep on watching.
I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting.
Alright, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If y'all don't know, I'm your boy King Shot. First and foremost, I want to start this video off by saying thank you because you could be anywhere in the world but you're here with your boy, and I truly do appreciate it. Now, if you like this video or any of my content, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Also, turn on your post notification button so that you get notified every time your boy drops some fire content. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this review. Alright y'all, so I'm coming at y'all with a highly anticipated video. Y'all been asking me to show y'all my YouTube studio filming setup. Now, I don't know why, because I'm not a big time YouTuber and my YouTube studio is nothing fancy. But hey, y'all asked for it, so I delivered for y'all. So it's nothing really major to it, so it won't be too much of a long video. But I'm just here to show y'all that y'all don't have to have the most tech savvy equipment to make quality YouTube videos. So if y'all want to see how I make my YouTube videos, keep on watching. All right, you guys, so I had to switch over to my camera so I can show you guys what your boy is working with. A lot of you have been asking to see my YouTube studio filming setup, which I don't know why, because it's nothing spectacular. So I currently live in a 2-bedroom apartment. Of course, the first bedroom I use for my bedroom. The second bedroom I use for my YouTube studio. Here is the studio. So pretty much, I'm gonna show you guys what I use to film. So here's the chair I sit down in to film. Don't mind those marks on the back wall. Maintenance is coming in to paint this room next week. So yeah, I use this chair to sit down in. And y'all, I know my little setup is a little bit ghetto, but hey, you gotta use what you got, you know, to make it happen. So yeah, y'all never really will see this because I just use this basically to stack up my computer so I can see my monitor. As you can see, hey, your boy is right here. Now there's my camera right there. It is the Canon Rebel T7i. Here is the box. As you can see, Canon Rebel T7i. And I got this in a bundle deal off of Amazon. It's a great camera. It is expensive, but hey, it's definitely worth the money because as y'all can see, my quality be on point. 1080p, what's up? So I use my MacBook Air as my monitor. There's my camera right there. As you can see, I have 2 ring lights, one right here, one right here. Now they might look similar or different on camera. They're definitely different. This one right here is a non-name brand off of Amazon for $40. Then I guess one day I was feeling expensive, or maybe I got my first YouTube check. Then I upgraded to the newer ring light. Both of these are 14 inches. This one definitely lights up brighter than this one. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it does. But I have the settings about the same right now. And this one was $80 off of Amazon. But it definitely was worth the money because it lights up 10 times brighter than the other one. And that's pretty much it. I mean, a lot of y'all have been requesting me to do this video. It's not nothing much to it. I have 2 ring lights. I used to do it with one, but then one wasn't really just lighting up the room or myself as much as I wanted it to. So I had to invest in another one. So I get one light for the left and one light for the right. I have my camera, I have my monitor, shoe boxes to stack up my laptop. And as you can see, here is my Canon Rebel. And this chair is in here because, you know, sometimes I do product reviews and I would pile them up right here so I can just grab and go instead of like having to reach down to the floor. Oh, I almost forgot. I use a mic as well. This is the lavalier mic. Don't worry, guys. Everything will be linked down in the description box below. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, y'all want to see my YouTube studio setup? I have the most basic setup, but hey, it produces the best quality. So you just have to do trial and error to see what works for you. So yeah, in conclusion, to wrap this video up, I use my Canon EOS Rebel T7i for the camera. I use my MacBook Air as a monitor. I have 2 different ring lights, and that's pretty much it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. See ya. Well, guys, like I said, this video wasn't going to be too long because I have a basic YouTube studio. Well, in my opinion, I feel like it's basic. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave down in the comments what y'all want to see me do next, and I got y'all. As always, don't forget to thumb this video up. comment, and subscribe. Stay real, stay true, and stay you. And I'll see y'all on my next one. See ya.